So when I say R.I.P to Sam, rest in peace.
My condolences to Sam because obviously you know saying part of the team is a team member, you understand? We consider Sam like a runaway, I'm there with me throughout, you understand? So I'm an elder, like a father, you understand? So my condolences to Sam, always, you understand? But you know say,
the short space of time we come on, Sam, a lot of good things to learn from it. Couple things well.
With some experience, I saw me back out of shop. I realized there's more to learn. And shop driving alone, there's more skill to learn. And the welding skill I have and the more knowledge I have, we take on to a different dimension. Move on. Yeah, we never wait. Hang on to it and go on till me there a trench town till Sam end up finding a trench town, honestly. That's how Sam end up to come a trench town. Ask me which part big step. I said, oh, there's some man. I come and see a situation as a Sam that trench town till Sam pass.
I also have a donation from Nikki and Jay, who is our newly extended family. You know, Nikki and Jay from New Jersey. This is 32,500 for you from Nikki and Jay towards the foundation. So Nikki and Jay from New Jersey, 32,500.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Well. Dream team, one team. Blessings to all, blessings to all, blessings to all. You know, boy, we really have a sad news today. You know, as you can see from the title. As you can see from the title, you know, Sam have passed away. You know, Sam have passed away. And we literally just find out, you know, because they're from the 21st. You know, we just find out say him passed away, you know, so just get a phone call literally and just say him passed away. And it's really sad because we never really get any information about Sam. To say me we never have a clue because we never in contact with any of the family or whoever was visiting him. So we never have a clue what was going on, you know, so literally just a hear say yo, Sam passed away, you know, and it's really sad. Right, you know, it's really sad. It's very touching because he died from the 21st, you know, and it's only literally like yesterday we are here a while ago, so we decided to let them know about this. Yes, Carly, you know, I want to say rest in peace, Sam. You know, it's really a sad situation. Very sad, you know, because literally, so our condolences goes out to the family, you know, and I know a lot of been touched by hurt by the situation because as I say, from the 21st them say him passed away and we'll just find out now. So because as I say, we couldn't get no information because we never in no contact with the family just to know what's going on. So it's the really sad part of it, you know. I just want to say rest in peace, Sam. You know, it was a really touching moment, you know, and even natural say him get the dream, you know, right? Natural say him get the dream.
Come on. Say give me a vision, man. Give me a vision. holiday was when the Monday. The vision in my Tuesday. Sorry. My vision in when they write a dream team shop and I walk up the road and I vision. I said to myself, get through the work. So I said, what kind of work you get through it? I said, don't worry about work, man. Don't worry yourself, not try, man. Get through the work, man. So I'm alright and I walk strong and I'm fit. I said, Sam, no, man. You must say, you see the work I'm tell you about me, get through it, you can't have to worry yourself no more. I said, alright. I'm a lot, Esther. So I said to Esther, Esther, no, I get a vision. Last night was Sam. I'm like a vision there. It's on somebody and then we're going. So when his son called me, Sunday gone now, I said to him, I said, boy, why go on natural? I said, no worries, man, your father passed. He said, oh, I know. So your father vision me, but the vision I get, realize independent way. So then tell him, I said, boy, I feel that way. I said, no feel that way because the father in a situation where he not can't help himself. You couldn't help him. And if you try to help him, there's no way. So instead of him stay and suffer, it's best him go home. It's the only way. So I said, boy, I feel that way. I said, no, say father, but what you do? Doctor, them try their best. You go down and try your best. So what you do? But it's sad to know some of my best friends. Because I know some younger drive truck. And like I said, I spend like 28 years at Sharp Place driving truck, you know Sam. Sam was a good they call fabricator. Sam could design things. Me was a well-learned truck driver at the time. When Sam fabricates something and you Sam left him footprint on the road. He left him mark. Yeah. He mark all over the 14 parish. He left him mark. I tell you.
Yeah.
Real thing. I tell you something. The first compactor me and Sam met. Now the first compactor is Mr. Bunny. 4 bars. The second one was a Mega Mart. And repair others and look, but he was a welder, he was a fabricator, and he was good at it. Excellent. Some have something where it's not easy. He have something where I'm born with where you can't explain. I tell you the truth. So it's a most of my skill that I have. You can tell them I get most of it from Sam. People would know.
True.
With some experience, I saw me back out of truck. I realized there's more to learn. And truck driving alone, there's more skill to learn. And the welding skill I have, and the more knowledge I have, we take on to a different dimension. Move on. Yeah, we never wait. They hang on to it and go on till me there a trench stone till Sam end up finding a trench stone, honestly. So Sam end up to come a trench stone. Ask me which part big there. And say, oh, there's some man, come. And I come and see a situation as a Sam that trench stone till Sam pass. Yeah. Because at the time I'm there here, I'm supposed to run 15 year trench stone. Honestly. Yeah. Because carry kids at Jubilee and I'm carry born and grow up big kids now. When I start check time and back time and start to question it. I said, natural 15 years there now. Long time there.
Yeah, long time. Why it's really sad now if you know
Yeah,
boy.
no, just sad.
It's sad, you know. So when I say R.I.P to Sam, you know, rest in
I
peace.
give up my condolences to Sam because obviously you know so I'm part of the team, he's a team member, you understand? We consider Sam like a runaway, I'm there with me throughout, you understand? So I'm an elder, like a father, you understand? So my condolences to Sam, always, you understand? I know say,
The short space of time we come on, some enough good things we learn from it. Couple things well.
So alright, for my 2 cheers, me have a balance of what, 10,000 left, right? So I'm gonna pay it. I'm gonna pay my bill right now. You know, cause it was nice doing business with you. And it's nice to know that baby I support you as well too. So this is my balance for my 2 cheers, and I thank you so much. You know.
I'm going to get this problem and pay them out here.
Yeah.
But so they come up and for me. Something like that, man.
Yeah, man.
Because him, that one, I will.
Yeah, so you have everything already?
Everything, I'm watching.
All you need is a student.
That's all.
That's all you need is a student. So any student, anyone out there wanna learn now? Oh, that palm base.
One
Sam.
No, man.
Sam palm base. Then we go already. So Bacha, we want another build and base.
Yeah, man, great Sam, you know.
Jiggy one.
Send on some advice.
Yeah.
You know? A natural teacher, you know.
Yeah.
Them man, most of the things them do the thing.
Yeah.
The lady them have to drive.
You can't tell why me use it.
Why you
You
use
can't
that?
tell why me use
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Alright, for instance, no, you are label black as well, right?
Yeah.
And say the black come out the road and come and the man he put 30 black in the barrel, can't hold the barrel, but can't hold it. And he come and so and put your hands and throw down and turn and attack and the 30 no, right?
Yeah.
You have to go wait till he go out the door. You can do, man. She put 4 in the barrel and come out and put it down, go 4 again and come out.
Yeah.
He said, you don't,
Continue.
she have to come out.
Sam. Yes, sir. Yeah, look what I go on.
Yeah, man.
Hey, look here.
Sam having students.
Student, yeah.
She's student there. Yeah, that teacher. But remember, all of us, any of us can get sick at any time.
True.
And we need each other. So that's why you hear the song we say, teamwork make the dream work. The dream team.
Yeah.
Because the dream team is the team of the universe. And when you move as one, you move as a children of the universe. And you keep yourself connect to Mama Earth. And you know, say what ya, life is everything. Life for you, life for me. And I'm say again, all the donors, enough respect.
Yeah, man. Go on, show man.
Yeah, man. Shots for your time come and know some. They run some enough good thing we learn from him. I him have the tool, him and go on and say XYZ to him. Him nah say no. Me and him always a try go make some hustling and do something. But you see in a life, a pass through, a pass through. You're going there for your time, that means you can just do what you can do.
Yeah, man.
And full joy some of what you can do. Yeah, believe in me.
Mother Teresa.
Yeah, I give condolence to Sam. May rest in peace. Sam do a lot of things boy here, cause Latisha had have a son when did I try to help him. That's him know a skill too. That means that if him pass on, him could have take it up. But sad to say, him have gone away the R.I.P to set speed. One team, dream team.
Some jaggy still there, I hold it. Enough place I can't remember me know. Enough building uptown to show me. You do that, I can't believe. Yes, Sam, there I hold it. R.I.P. to you. There, Sam, I still respect you. Rest in peace, Sam.
Your father, Sam, Jella there, you know, always a good man, you hear that? You never tell me nothing bad, yet. Ever encourage you about good things, for do things, and you see me, R.I.P. you know, Mr. Sam. You don't know, you know, love goes out to your family, them, you see me? Shake up yourself, you see me?
Gone, but you never forgot it.
Gone, but you never forgot.
Gone, but never forgotten, you know, man.
Some gone, but him never forgotten. And some left a legacy behind. A lot of skill. You leave some with me, leave with others. And some is a very motivated brother. And some was like a father to me. Honestly, some could come, some could leave Trenchtown and go to my yard. Honestly, I go for him Sunday dinner every Sunday.
Yeah.
To my mother, honestly.
Yeah, man. So when I say, you know, our condolences goes out, you know. It's not all the members that are here, you know, but I know they will have the same to say, you know, rest in peace, Sam. I know you will never forget. And for all the viewers them, and I know you'll be saying the same as well too, you will definitely be missed, you know, because as I say, the more we say life, you know, it comes with expectation. When we say life, you know, it comes with death, you know, and we have to just accept, say, yo, it's part of life, same way, you know, and it's really touching to know that Sam was here. And, you know, so it's really heartfelt, you know, so we have to just continue the journey, see me, and we just keep Sam in prayers every time, you know. And we have Junior, see Junior here. We'll learn the train for with Sam.
Service you, Uncle Sam Japot, you know. Never believe say impossible. But life goes on.
Yeah, so you know the journey will continue, you know, and we'll carry on our journey, see me on the road. So we give thanks, you know, Sam, rest in peace, you know, R.I.P. Sam, rest in peace, dream team and team, so only real team, blessed love to all.
R.I.P. Sam, enough love, all heap of respect, you know. You know Sam Bowler, breaks for you that I'm still, but you don't know, you reach up that age, you know. All heap of love still is in. Said we are man, is in. Peace. Love in a Sam Bowler. All heap of love, Sam. R.I.P.
Yeah, I just want to say condolences to Sam family. I know it's not easy. Okay, I know it's not easy, but have strength, keep it up. Keep the strength going. We're there here, see him with your phone. We are pray for them. May God guide and protect you. You understand? And rest in peace, Sam. You was a good man. Not forgot you at all. You was a good person, Sam. Otherwise, as Sambo. Just rest in peace. You understand? Yeah, and the family too. Okay, Sam.
R.I.P. Mr. Sam Jiggy, and my deepest condolences to his family, friends, and other well-wishers.
So rest in peace, Sam.
Rest in peace, Sam.
There are a few people who want to link. It's a good thing for them people and never turn them up and say.
Rain out. Rain out, mother. Oh, this. Oh, this. Hold it tight. Atish. Oh, there is your baby.
They're gonna go.
Yes, some passed away, you know.
Sad news. Junior teacher gone. Some people teaching the welding. My condolences to the family.
Debbie.
Him still have the trade for going to the school. Some starting to school and finishing.
Yeah, true.
Pick up all of my extended family, them always.
Yeah. You know, Sam. Really sad news for Sam, you know.
Yeah, because Saturday me I asked Bajan about him and naturally get a call see him. Naturally say him soon come give me the update.
Sunday.
Sunday me I sleep now, I see Bajan text me and I say him just get the update to Sam pass. So you know say it's sad and condolence to the family and also to the Dream Team family as well as the extended family who did support Sam. So it's just a sad moment.
Because we him dead from the 21st.
Yeah, that's a 1 week after we
1 week after. 1 week and about 2-3 days.
Yeah, after we
you know, so long. So that's how the message them take a long to get to us, you know. So that's why it really hurt us so much.
Yeah,
for no say him dead from so long.
Yeah.
And then we just at years long after him dead, you know.
Yeah, and it was just a phone call away because the son have prefect number, natural number, and could have been tell them.
Long time. Oh, just I know.
Life goes on.
Yeah, you know, we really feel it for Sam, you know.
3 days gone, 9 days gone.
Yeah, so we couldn't even do anything because the 3 day gone and the 9 day gone. So
wait till when them feel like to tell when at the funeral.
we can just, you know, we just do a little thing for him then. You see, like how everything gone already. This is that we just burn like a candle for him. You know, we have to just try and do something for him then, like how it's already gone for so long.
Yeah, print
So,
and picture and put it there.
yeah, I would just, you know, so we just have a little vibes, you know, send out condolence, same way. So we have to just do that in that way then, which is, because everything gone already. 3 day and 9 day, everything gone already. So we have to just do something the same way. So I hope them keep us up to date when they come on to funeral and everything, which is, you know, what going on that. So it's really sad. Yeah, man, so you know, it's the situation where, you know, so life goes on sometime. You know, it really goes on. So Mother Teresa, I was there here, you know, for a donation towards their foundation as well too. Because Baja gonna country now, gonna put in film work. So I guess you're gonna look a pause for now, right? You know.
So just buy everything.
Mm-hmm.
Till time come.
Yeah. So at least if I got the material when him come, then that can go on. So I have a donation here as well too from R.I.P. And which is R.I.P, you know, is Satnam family as well too. I forgot to mention it was Satnam family, you know, family of Tara and Suki same way. You know, so we have $4,000 as well to here for you from R.I.P from the UK. So this is $4,000 here as well.
Thank you, R.I.P. Many blessings, many grateful. And hope your food basket never empty. Father God bless you and your family. All of your extended family who will do this for me. We know that everything is hard, but at least I'm still a child. We give God thanks to everybody we can please. Satnam, pick up yourself and your wife.
And that you don't know that come at the right time because that can buy cement as well that can help out with the situation same way. And we also have a donation from Nikki and Jay who is our newly extended family. You know, Nikki and Jay from New Jersey. This is $32,500 for you from Nikki and Jay towards the foundation. So Nikki and Jay from New Jersey. $32,500.
Nikki and Jay, thank you very much. I hope your food basket never empty. I hope Father God bless your family, multiply your family, and hope your pocket never empty. One team, two team.
Yeah, so thank you so much, Nikki and Jay. You know, thank you so much for the support, R.I.P. You know, thank you so much. You know, this can go towards Mother Teresa materials them, so at least you can always have materials whenever the work is going on, and it can go towards what is definitely needed and building our foundation. So Nikki and Jay, you know, thank you so much. You know, our extended family. First time donor to the program, you know. They said they've been watching me from Jamaica Good Life days, you know. Thank you so much, you know, because I must say, viewers have always been watching, some been watching for time, but it's just time to things, you know. That's why I say people are always watching. Yeah, so if you feel like say it's there, people is always watching, you know. So whenever the time is right, they will make things happen. So we give thanks for the support for all our extended family who make it possible for each of the Dream Team members them and the in need of the community of Trenchtown. So we thank you so much. You know, God blessing you. You know, it's more than a blessings to us in Trenchtown, you know, and to the needy. So you know, say Father God won't leave you out, and we definitely won't leave you out of our prayers because it's always needed. So Mother Teresa, just go and do the right thing so the right thing can happen, you know. So as you can see, this is the update of Mother Teresa. Yeah. The column them gone up and everything. So Baja is not here, you know, Baja gone up on the country. So you know Baja was giving us strength, same way. Just like how we have done a place same way to get done, same way. So a time do things, you know, a time at the master, you know, so in due time everything will come apart, come alive as it's supposed to, you know. So she have most things here and she have materials on the outside. As I can see, we have some rain. Lisa that pass through to feel Lisa tail, you know. She never do much damage more than give us some rain. So we still there, see me, we give thanks because rain is more blessings because it's coming from the Heavenly Father skies. Right, so journey I continue. And Sam, you know, I say R.I.P. rest in peace, Sam. You will definitely truly be missed. You know, I still have my chair at home, you know. I have a stove, and we still have the stove as well to cook on, same way, you know. Take it, sister. Yeah. I have my chair them at home. Cheer them on my veranda, you know. I love my cheer them.
Around 15 minutes junior silent for Kiata. Let me tell you when you come from school.
It's really sad, you know, and the saddest part, you know, it takes us so long to find out. You know, that's what hurt us so much, you know. So, you know, Sam, you know, we definitely truly be missed. Definitely rest in peace, Sam.
One big up all them, you know, Sunday was a birthday, so just big up yourself, all them. Your Father God bless you and keep you to see many more birthdays. Happy belated birthday, Anne. You don't know, you will have the phone now, you can't contact you, but that's the thing, say. As soon as we get a phone, everything up.
Yeah. So I guess the Dream Team kids them is not here at all of them. So we have a bag here for the Dream Team kids them, and we have Bree, you know, the singing melody mom is here. Gonna receive the bag for the Dream Team kids, and this is coming from the daughter of Esther. So, you know, daughters of Esther. You know. So
Thanks, daughter of Esther.
Yeah.
Remember the Dream Team kids.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so daughters of Esther, you know, send the bag for the Dream Team kids then. And yeah, so well, all the kids them is not here because I say, well, it's Bree. A long time when I say the singing melody. Evening class. Yeah.
Yeah.
And most of them.
Next one in name shop. The T she passed it St. Jude's eye.
Yeah. That's greatness. What happened?
What should they call T?
Yeah.
Call T.
Oh, go on.
T come from school.
Taking from school.
Bree gone to our evening class.
Mm-hmm. So you're doing your work, right? Something the work that you do?
That you in your book.
No, how then?
The class you just come from.
Listen to what that man. Yeah. Alright then, so.
High school, my girl I get next year, yeah?
Which school she choose?
Choose some girls' school.
Which one?
She said Queens are first choice, that she said.
Queens are your choice too. Oh, here's another dream team kid as well too. Alright, where to sleep?
No, she just come from school. This is the one that passed the St. Jude's.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
You know, congratulations. So the bags now is.
Why may I speak?
Yes, when I say I speak. So this bag is from Daughters of Esther for the Dream Team kids then, right? So there's stuff in there when I have to sort out fruits. Daughters of Esther.
May I take up some clothes off island? We're going to give Baba this one. We can talk to the father.
Alright then, so take care, yeah? And congratulations, right? I like that, that's true. Alright then, mother of Bree.
Yeah.
See you later. Go and take out back the clothes I'm off for the line. I see clothes pin them up and clothes. Yeah.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.